What's your name?
My name is John.
How old are you?
I just turned 20 last week.
Where are you from?
I'm from the beautiful city of Vancouver.
What do you do?
I'm a student, and I also love painting.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do. I'm always humming a tune.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, like the ocean.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can. I feel like a fish in water.
Where do you live?
I live in a cozy apartment in New York.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a playful dog named Max.
What's your hobby?
I love reading mystery novels.
How was your day?
It was fantastic. I met an old friend.
What's your favorite food?
I can't resist a good pizza with extra cheese.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer every weekend.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m., ready to start the day.
Do you like traveling?
Absolutely. I love exploring new places.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can make a mean spaghetti.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a bit of French.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring, when everything blooms.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I need my morning coffee to wake up.
What's your dream job?
I dream of becoming a writer.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I love biking through the park.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, dancing is so much fun.
What's your favorite animal?
I adore pandas, they're so cute.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite holiday.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love trying new recipes.
What's your favorite fruit?
I can't get enough of strawberries.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love getting lost in a good book.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the sound of the waves.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake is my weakness.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, hiking in the mountains is amazing.
What's your favorite drink?
I love a refreshing lemonade.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, drawing helps me relax.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I love mint chocolate chip.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I enjoy growing my own herbs.
What's your favorite time of day?
I love the calm of early morning.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, shopping for clothes is fun.
What's your favorite flower?
I love the beauty of roses.
Do you like playing video games?
Yes, I enjoy playing with friends.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
I love watching basketball games.
Do you enjoy swimming in the sea?
Yes, the sea is so refreshing.
What's your favorite fast food?
I love a good burger and fries.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I enjoy reading on rainy days.
What's your favorite board game?
I love playing chess.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, flying is exciting.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I love spending time with family and friends.
Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I love going to the cinema.
What's your favorite subject?
I enjoy studying history.
Do you play chess?
Yes, I play chess with my dad.
What's your favorite snack?
I love eating popcorn.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I sing in the shower.
What's your favorite sport to play?
I enjoy playing tennis.
Do you like hot weather?
Yes, summer is my favorite season.
What's your favorite thing to do in winter?
I love building snowmen.
Do you like to read magazines?
Yes, I read fashion magazines.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I love using Instagram.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love the thrill of spicy dishes.
What's your favorite city?
I adore Paris, it's so romantic.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I enjoy capturing memories.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I love hiking in the mountains.
Do you like to draw or paint?
Yes, painting is my favorite hobby.
What's your favorite type of music?
I love listening to pop music.
Do you like to visit museums?
Yes, I find museums fascinating.
What's your favorite piece of clothing?
I love my cozy sweater.
Do you like to bake?
Yes, I enjoy baking cookies.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I like to meditate and listen to music.
Do you like roller coasters?
Yes, they're thrilling.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love sunny days.
Do you like to shop online?
Yes, it's so convenient.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I love making pasta dishes.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy the great outdoors.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
I love pancakes with syrup.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, they keep my mind sharp.
What's your favorite time of the year?
I love the holiday season.
Do you like to visit the zoo?
Yes, I love seeing the animals.
What's your favorite type of dance?
I enjoy salsa dancing.
Do you like board games?
Yes, Monopoly is my favorite.
What's your favorite kind of soup?
I love chicken noodle soup.
Do you like to visit the library?
Yes, I love the quiet atmosphere.
What's your favorite type of art?
I appreciate abstract art.
Do you like to sew?
Yes, I make my own clothes sometimes.
What's your favorite flavor of cake?
I love red velvet cake.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, I enjoy watching soccer.
What's your favorite TV series?
My favorite series is Stranger Things.
Do you like to visit the beach?
Yes, the beach is my happy place.
What's your favorite way to exercise?
I love doing yoga.
Do you like playing cards?
Yes, I enjoy playing poker.
What's your favorite holiday tradition?
I love decorating the Christmas tree.
Do you like to listen to podcasts?
Yes, I find them very interesting.
What's your favorite way to spend a rainy day?
I love watching movies.
Do you like to go to the gym?
Yes, it keeps me fit and healthy.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love visiting the mountains.
Do you like to do yoga?
Yes, it's very relaxing.
What's your favorite thing about weekends?
I love sleeping in and relaxing.